If you're like me, after several months of working in your shop, you have a tendency to accumulate lots of little pieces of hardware after you finish your project constructions. Mark Cahill from Auburn, New York also had a similar situation. But one day while he was taking some of his prescription meds, he discovered that he was accumulating a lot of pill bottles. He came up with this nifty idea here for storing your hardware utilizing those leftover pill bottles from his prescriptions. It's a simple case construction utilizing tongue and groove joinery on all four corners using half-inch Baltic birch. The base is also half-inch Baltic birch, slightly oversized to add stability, with a simple metal handle that is screwed to the top. The shelves are made from plywood and have holes drilled in them to accept the size of the pill bottle that you may have. Once you have it all assembled using dowels on each end with simple toy wheels for handles on the outside, now I can organize all of my loose hardware into the pill bottles by placing them in, securing the top. I can turn out the shelf to expose the hole, drop the pill bottle in, and voila, I have a handy organizer for all of my loose hardware that I can pick up and place anywhere in my shop.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tip, subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Every week we're adding new tips and great woodworking videos. So hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.